Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Today we just got this DeLonghi Specialista with us today. And pretty much the problem was, it came into the shop because it was stopped grinding completely. You would put the portafilter in here, you'll turn it to hit the switch, and it'll run, but it'll almost like pop every single time and nothing was coming through. So I did open up the grinder, I opened up took off the tank, took off the spin part here, took out the burr, put it back in, and it did seem to fix the issue. I'm assuming the burr wasn't aligned, it wasn't put in properly, so there's not much we could do to the grinder. It's running well. I've tested it probably 15 times now before this video, so we're going to test it again, and we're going to actually blur a shot. We're going to test the steam one, test the hot water functions, just make sure everything's working. So we're going to get our portafilter. See, there's barely anything in it. There's nothing in it. We are going to put the close. As you can see, it stopped popping, and you can hear it grinding normally. We're going to wait for it to grind through. Then we're going to tamp around twice, just to make sure. Take it out, and as you can see, we do got a leveled bed of coffee here, so it did grind well. I tested at different various settings, and it did do a difference. Right now we are doing the third finest setting with almost the notch being here. Do not go farther than that, or you have a chance of breaking the frame when you try to put the portafilter in, because there's too much espresso coming through the portafilter. And yeah, so now we're going to test the shot. Putting it here, putting it to close. We're going to do a double shot, but I might end it early because our cup is a little small for a double, but we're still going to do it anyways. You're going to hear the little pump. Try pumping water through. And then you're going to see the gauge start to slowly go up when pressure is built. Now it's going to push water. As you can see, the gauge is coming up. Hopefully we can get it to the optimal zone. As you can see, we kind of got to the beginning of it. Again, you could go finer or put more coffee, but make sure you don't do max. Make sure you're trying not to break that frame. But that's a beautiful shot right there. Grinder works perfectly well now. And yeah, and then we're going to test the hot water function by clicking this. As you can see, running well. Of course, you didn't mess with anything, but we are going to just do it just in case and test the steam function. I do love the steamers on these machines. Make sure you do grab it from here. As you can see, everything running well. And everything's looking good for this machine. If you did like this repair and you like the channel, please leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.